You clicked on this video for a reason. This video contains information that you need to hear right now. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I will be giving you the message that you need to hear today. This is obviously more of a generalized message, but nevertheless, you found it. This has come to you for a reason. So it probably has a missing piece of the puzzle. But if you would like a more accurate or more personalized reading, feel free to check out my website and commission a reading with me. Anyway, here we are, and you're listening, and I would like you to focus on your ears right now. Just notice how there's a warmth running inside of your ears, how there's a very pleasant, caressing feeling around both ears. As you're breathing in and out, it's as though your ears are also receiving and releasing energy of some sort in the same rhythm as your breathing goes. And I would like you to imagine that your ears are now really becoming receptive. They might be getting a little bit bigger. It's almost as though you are in a dream and impossible things are happening. But this is all happening because you need to hear something that you might have been deaf to before. You might have been in denial about something that is now coming to the surface, and now you're hearing it, and this is going to help you in so many ways. So, let's see what it is that you need to hear at the moment. Well, first of all, the Five of Pentacles is pointing to the fact that there are some very specific, very concrete, and very real challenges keeping you from accomplishing your goals. The Five of Pentacles, or the Five of Coins, as it's called in this deck, is about material hardship. As you can see in this image, there's some beggars outside of a church, not able to get inside and receive support. So they are excluded, and they are feeling cold, and they're feeling hungry and in need. So the Five of Pentacles is drawing your attention to the fact that there are some things missing on a material level. There's a scarcity, there's a lack of connection, a lack of resources that are part of your reality that you might be in denial about. Okay, so let's find out what it is that you can do to deal with this, to manage this. Things are missing. Things are missing that would be vital for your success. There might not be enough money, there might not be enough opportunities. There might be some disruption in your career or in your work. What is it that you can do? Here comes the Two of Pentacles, the Two of Coins. Notice how we are in that same realm of Pentacles. So the material issue is to be resolved with material action. And this is going to require you to move things around. So whether it is a trade-off or an exchange or a transaction of sorts, if we are speaking about the financial realm, or whether it means changing jobs or changing positions, you absolutely have to make steps, very practical steps, to rearrange, to reshuffle the material environment that you are in. Perhaps you need to move house. You might need to, depending on the insufficiency that the Five of Pentacles is pointing to, you have to change positions in some way. You have to change strategies and start to act differently. You have to switch in some way, shape, or form. Inertia and lack of action and staying in one place is not a good choice right now. It's not going to help you. I hope that you enjoy this reading. It was kind of a quick one, but I hope that you were able to hear what you needed to hear. And if you enjoy this video, like it, leave some comments, subscribe to my channel, and consider getting a personalized reading from me. Thank you. Bye-bye.